Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hidden Brick, where today we're going to build the Lego Overwatch Tracer versus Widowmaker, set number 75970. 129 pieces. This is the smallest of the Overwatch sets. So you can see on the back, shows a little bit of a kind of a technical looking diagram of the actual set, but then here it shows the vehicle, but it's a computer graphic background. So all we're really getting is the vehicle. So we'll dump out our contents. Have a single instruction book. It's like 3 bags of parts. There is no sticker sheet as far as I can tell. Last bag right here. Open small bag, medium bag, and or actually large bag, medium bag, small bag. Okay. So minifigures will be first. Alright, so this one, double printed face. See, we have the kind of the angry smirk and then kind of a smiling face. Go with the semi-angry one. We got the hair that's kind of a spiky hair. On the back side, on this little clip, we put the stud with the hole. And we have one of the little lightning bolt pieces going out the back. Next up is a couple guns. We have this newer style gun piece. There's 2 of them. These are gonna have the trans light blue tiles on both sides, along with a little stud on the front. Got 1, 2, and a stud there. Move that to the side for a second. Let's see, I'm looking for, there it is. So we have this piece that has the print on it. Looks like a little health capsule. It's got a little plus sign on it. Okay, move that to the side. So that's our first minifigure. It's done. And we have our second for the set. So this is Widowmaker. That first one we made was Tracer. This is Widowmaker. And she has double printed face as well. Kind of this straight face and then a winking face. Keep her straight face on. She has a little grappling hook in one hand. And in the other hand, we're gonna have one of the weapons pieces. Put this stud with the bar on it, a plate with a clip, the little inkwell piece, and then 2 of the what do you call it, the lightsaber handles. Actually makes for a pretty nice looking gun if it would stay together. Kind of fell apart as I was attaching it to the hand. Alright, so let's hold on to that a little bit better. There we go. That's a pretty cool looking sniper rifle. So that's our Widowmaker minifig. cool stuff right there. All right, so now we're going to begin the little vehicle. So we start with this big plate. It's really not that big of a plate, but it's the biggest piece in this set. We're going to put this cabinet on the back. Profile bricks and then 2 big bricks down the side. Some wedge plates and another big brick. Let's see, a 2x3 plate and another wedge. So does anybody out there play Overwatch? I know the game now that everyone's playing is Fortnite, so I'm not quite sure if Overwatch is still that popular of a game. I know it's big with esports. A lot of people still seem to play it, but like I said, Fortnite is kind of the game that everyone's playing now. But who knows, you may be watching this 10 years in the future and you'll be like, what is Overwatch and what is Fortnite? You may not even know what these things are. So, curious to know when you're watching this, what year is this when you're watching it, and what's the popular game of the time. This is making a pretty solid spaceship shape. You know, you got the solid bricks in here, and then we're just stacking plates to make it pretty solid. All right. Oh, you know what? There are stickers in this set. I just didn't have them out of the box yet because I turned the page and we have the next step is calling out for stickers. So, sticker number 5 is our first sticker we're going to put on. This will go right here. We have another sticker. It's the same sticker number 5. It's just a kind of a mirrored version of it. This one will go right there. So I guess the lesson for this is make sure you check all the contents of the bag or box. Make sure everything's out of there. All right, so we got those 2 little notched, 45-degree notched baby bow slopes and a couple more wedge plates. One here, and then a jumper tile right in the middle of those 2 jumper tiles. And 2 more of these baby bow slopes. Black piece there. All right, looks good. Goes there. I'm not quite sure why the instructions show us turning it, but there's never. So this little symbol here usually means to turn the model around, but we go from here to here and nothing needs to be turned. So it's kind of it is an error in the instructions because that little diagram is not, or that little symbol is not needed at all. Basically, we're going to put these little rocker brackets on here. Those 4 go like that. And we're going to take the rocker plate piece, attach a regular 1x4 plate there. And we have another one. there. Alright, so we have our next couple of stickers on these sloped bricks. There, and one here, just like that. Let's see, we have another rocker plate piece. Turn this like that. That's interesting. So that goes like that. So there's our little cockpit area. That kind of goes over that jumper tile. Next, we're going to put a little engine piece in here. That little assembly will slide right in the middle, attach on that jumper tile. And of course, I'm going to knock some parts off. Come on. That goes there. Okay. Alright, so here we have a wedge brick. I'll slide in here. That will get sticker number 2, which is right. Is this one sticker number? Yeah, this is number 2. This will go right here. Now these are a little tricky because you're putting it on a wedge brick, which kind of has a slope going in 2 different directions. So what I tend to do is line it up on a straight side, pretty close to the straight edge, and then slowly pull it and make sure that it lines up with the slope. And then you can just rub your thumb on it and it lines up nicely. Okay, 2 tiles. Do 1, 2, and then these 2 tiles there. Okay, so we got these bricks with the Technic pin sticking up. These are pretty cool. It's basically a plate. You can see the underside, it's a plate. But then you've got these little fin parts sticking out. This will get sticker number 8. Just this piece. And it goes right here. How is that going to attach? I guess it goes right about in the middle. Looks about right. And guess what time it is? It's last sticker time. So this guy will go right here. Same sticker as the other side, just a mirrored version of it. And we'll slap that right in the middle. plate, another Technic brick. Alright, so that piece is just going to hold the other one together. So we're going to put all of this together. One, two. Should be another Technic brick somewhere. Okay, 1 by 1. Unless I used it somewhere I wasn't supposed to. I'm actually not seeing it anywhere. Did I drop it? Where's my 1 by 1 Technic? Oh, I bet it's under here. Let's see. Yep, there it is. Hiding from me. That was the definition of the hidden brick. It's hiding from me, but I found you. Alright, so click those two together on this underside. We're going to put these black studs right there. And this piece will go right there. Next up, we're going to take the printed large dish, attach the clear piece to it, and then this will attach there. So there we go. Got quite a few extra pieces, kind of your standard small pieces, no big deal there. But that completes this set. So we've got Tracer right here, got Widowmaker, and then the drone ship, and then our little health pack right there. So the drone ship is pretty cool. Like I said, it's a very heavy, solid built spaceship basically, but then we've got the cool minifigures and the new little weapon pieces. So fun stuff to add to the Lego collection for sure, especially if you're a Overwatch fan. The other thing you can also do is pop these tiles off and put Tracer in there if she wants to pilot the drone spaceship. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching. If you like this video and you want to see more just like it, then check out the links I have down below. We've got tons of Lego build videos just like this one. So if you like this, you'll love everything else on my channel. And we will see you in the next video.